Morning, everybody. Jason, Hollis Farms. Mitt is on his way down here. We're fixing to, still got the boat hooked up to the little Nissan. We're finna go hit the river and see if we can hear a turkey gobble in the river. This is the first time either one of us has ever done this, so it'll be a new experience. Maybe we'll get lucky. Alright, y'all, so we made it out of the river. That was mine and Mitt's both. First time to ever go turkey hunting in the river like that on public ground. Didn't get one, but we had a good time. We ended up here and we heard one turkey on some private land, and then we heard one on some public, and we went to it and messed around and got a hen going, and I think I may have got her yelping a little bit on the video, but anyway, never did get anything up there close and never did see one, but had a good time. It's gonna be a big learning experience. I've killed turkeys public land out like in Kansas, Nebraska, but never done it on the river or down. I mean, these turkeys in Mississippi and Alabama and Florida is about the hardest turkeys you can kill anyway, and here we are trying to go do it on public. But I like a challenge. I hope the weather will straighten out where we can do it more, and it's just gonna be a big learning experience, but sure enjoyed it. One thing about it, if you don't kill a turkey when you're on the river like that, at least you have a good boat ride. Had a good time. So we're gonna be doing more of that. That was the biggest reason I got the boat, as y'all probably figure that out. I'm not much on fishing. Got too many other things I like to do, but plan on doing that some more, and hopefully get to do some traveling to do that. I got to do some studying on that, where to go. Beat you wound up this morning, ain't you? But anyway, that's kind of the plan, but we got some work we got to go do now. Alright, me and Pete had to stop by my eye doctor. I finally got my new little lightweight glasses ready. Curbside service, couldn't go in, they had to bring them to me. Got some load of chemical loaded up. I'm just about out of some of my chemical. This is probably the last tank before I go get any more. I just wanted to see what all I needed. So we're gonna go spray a little bit. Alright y'all, bad as I hate to, I'm finna cut a little grass, and I mean just a little grass, not much. I fired the grasshopper up yesterday and cut for just a few minutes. This is probably one thing that I really don't like doing, so I'm gonna do a little bit anyway. See if she'll fire off. Oh yeah. Alright y'all, hadn't had just a ton going on today, just kind of normal stuff. Besides turkey hunting on the river this morning. Not a lot of filming, I know that, but we had a good time. Hoping to get that action a little better. Did a little spraying, had Pete with us today, and just cut a little grass. I'm finna go feed the dogs and call it a day. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.